Hello everyone! Welcome to Grey Pot. On this Christmas, let's try our hands on these cute little ginger cookies, that too without sugar. Let's see how to make it. Into a large bowl, add in some room temperature butter. Blend it till it becomes fluffy. And into that, I'm adding some Jaggery Powder. So you can replace this Jaggery powder with some brown sugar. But Jaggery powder works perfectly fine in this recipe. Now blend both the butter and jaggery really well. Now add in 1 egg and blend it. Don't forget to scrape down from the sides and blend everything really well. Now let's add the dry ingredients with the spice powder. So into all-purpose flour, add in clove powder, cinnamon powder, ginger powder and some baking soda. Sift that in and mix it with the butter and jaggery. I added the flour in batches. First mix it using a spatula and then use your hands to make it into a cookie dough. Now our ginger cookie dough is ready. You have to refrigerate it before we roll it. Now after 1 hour, take out the dough and let's start rolling it. I'm dividing it into 2 parts so that it will be easy to roll out. Place another parchment paper on top of the dough and start rolling. Once it reaches the desired thickness, you can cut out the cookies with your cookie cutters for baking. So here I am cutting the cookies in the Christmas theme, like stars, Christmas tree and also gingerbread man. So once you cut out all the cookie shapes, you have to carefully place that on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now bake these cookies in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So while our cookies are baking, let's prepare a royal icing to decorate our cookies. So into a large bowl, add 2 egg whites, blend it and once it starts to get frothy, start adding powdered sugar. So for 2 egg whites, we have to add around 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar. And just check once it reaches this ribbon consistency, our icing is ready. And once all the gingerbread cookies have cooled down, you can start icing it. And this is the most fun and interesting part in this recipe. And you can ask your kids for help, and they'll be so excited to do it. So once you're done icing, just keep it aside for 30 minutes so that the icing will get set and it will not spread when you touch it. And then you can have these cookies, or you can pack it for your friends and family. It's so fun and interesting to make designs on these cookies. And finally, one gingerbread man which is suitable for this pandemic. A small cookie man with a mask. And there it is, our Christmas special gingerbread cookies are ready. So definitely try out this recipe and share it with your friends and family. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.